Hi everyone! So today is March 15 and I'm here in Bangkok, Thailand. Kakabalik ko lang from shopping and I'm here at the hotel. And while waiting for the housekeeping na linisin yung room ko, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili ko today. Just for fun. So backstory, naiinis ako actually kasi it's already past 3. And pagbalik ko sa hotel ay hindi pa nila nalilinis. Ayun, so nakakainis. And actually, ni-request ko sa front desk kanina na pagsamahin yung dalawang bed kasi I booked a twin room but ako lang mag-isa magsistay. So, pagdikitin na lang nila yung dalawang bed kasi sobrang liit talaga niya. And then wala din silang spare room na iisang bed kasi full daw sila today. So, ayun. While waiting for the housekeeping na maglinis, ay papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga napili ko today. Ayan. So, first and foremost, I want to share with you my first purchase from Gentlewoman. Ayan. So, hindi pwedeng matapos yung ating Bangkok trip without going to Gentlewoman. So, what did I buy? Let's see. Yan! So, this is a tote bag from Gentlewoman. So, I opted for the minimalistic beige color. So, I actually already have one tote bag from Gentlewoman, but this is my first purchase kasi yun is gifted to me by Ate Gemma. And yung difference naman dito dun sa isa is ito ay may pocket siya sa harap, and then yung print niya is black, while that one was a little bit light color yung print. So, ayan. This cost, kano ba to? 590 baht. So, actually, ito yung pinakamurang bag sa ganitong size. But I really love it. And yung canvas niya actually is matibay. Yung first bag ko na Gentlewoman, I just made a mistake. Nilagay ko siya sa washing machine kaya medyo na-damage yung quality ng canvas niya. Naging flimsy. Pero maganda pa rin naman siya. Ginamit ko din yon in several of my travels. So, yeah. Love, love, love. Right. Next is I got one Pop Mart merch. So this is the version 1 of Labubu. I already have one actually at home. Pero, I just want to have another one. Kasi meron akong dalawa ng version 2 and ayun, para dalawa din yung version 1 ko. A little backstory, kahapon bumili na ako nito and then I unboxed it and I was so unlucky to get the same color. So green ulit yung nakuha ko. Sabi ko, ano ba naman to? So bibenta ko na lang yun. And then this one, hopefully this is a different color. Kasi kung green to, ewan ko na lang talaga. And then, bibenta ko na lang yung isa. But hopefully, may malakas yung loob ko na ano to, secret. Ayan. I-manifest natin. Yay! Okay. So, I have a favorite spread na parati ko siya hinahanap sa pag lumalabas ako ng Cambodia. Kasi wala siya sa Cambodia. Or if meron man, madalang. So, ito siya. Lotus Biscoff. So, I really, really love this one. Na-discover ko to sa Yole ba? Yung yogurt. Kasi meron sila ganitong topping and heaven talaga siya for me. So, ito is smooth. Ayan, smooth. And then, may isang variant na crunchy. Yeah, so, I bought two. And ang bigat-bigat. So, I was carrying my bag and then may ganito. Kaya, sobrang pagod ko. Pagod na talaga ang lola niyo. And then, next, dun sa grocery, I also bought some coffee. This is from UCC Coffee Roastery. Ang bango niya, sobra. Ayan. So, this one is, Thailand. So actually, every time na pupunta ako ng country, I make sure na makahanap ako ng coffee na native dun sa country na yon. Kasi coffee lover tayo. So ito, this is Thailand. And then, yung taste notes niya is dried dates, brown sugar, caramel sweetness. So hopefully masarap siya. Ayan. So these are beans pala. Kasi diba, the fresher yung pagkaka-ground mo ng beans, mas masarap yung coffee. So kaya, iniiwasan kong bumili ng ano bang tawag nito? Hindi iwasan kong bumili yung naka-grind na ng beans kasi nagsistale na yung coffee. So ito, all beans pa lang is i-grind ko na lang sa bahay kasi may mini grinder naman ako. And then I have another one actually. This one is Mexico. So, mayroon din ibang countries doon pero ito, it caught my attention kasi yung taste notes niya parang interesting. Broad beans, milk chocolate, brown sugar, vanilla, creamy mouthfeel. O, diba? Sana masarap. Bango-bango din niya. Grabe. Okay, and this comes with a resealable bag. So, at least, mas mabagal mag-stale yung coffee. Kasi once na napuksan mo na siya, nagsistart na talagang mag-stale yung coffee. Parang ma-expire talaga siya. Pero at least, naka-ziplock. So, baka mas slow niya yung process. Charing. Next! So, after dun sa grocery, I also went to Watson's. And these are what I got. First is, I have this Aveeno lotion. Ayan. Itong Aveeno lotion, I already had this in Cambodia And then, binili ko siya ulit dito kasi naka-sale. Medyo mahal kasi to. Kung dito na kasi hindi ko to bibili. And then ito, napaka-bango. Parang yung scent niya is lavender and ilang-ilang. Ayan. And ang ganda ng consistency ng lotion na to, kaya fave na fave. And then I also have, ano pa rin isa? This one naman is body wash. So, hindi pa ako nakatry ng Aveeno na body wash, pero hopefully ito maganda. And interesting din yung amoy niya kasi parang oatmeal ata. Ayan, bango. And the next is, this one, hindi ko pa ito na-try na brand na to. It's, I think, a Korean brand, Jaemela. And this is a hair treatment in sparkling rose. Yung scent niya. So, ayan, kita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so, yeah, hopefully, this would work on my hair. Interesting lang siya, and then mura lang. So, I got it. And then, ano pa ba? Hindi ko alam ba't ko binili ito. Para kasing baking soda na toothpaste. Ayan. So, yeah, hopefully, maganda siya. And ito, actually, lahat ng nabili ko sa Watsons mostly naka-sale. Kasi ganun tayo, diba? Naghahanap tayo ng value for money na nagagamit naman natin, diba? So, ito, yeah, I think you are familiar with this, the Colgate Purple. Ang mahal nito sa Phnom Penh. Then dito, 75 baht lang siya, which is around $2 lang. Alright, so next, we have this Dove Body Scrub. Naka-sale din to. Kasi sa Phnom Penh, this is also very expensive. So, this one is pomegranate body scrub. Tapos, gusto ko tong scrub na to kasi ang bango-bango niya. And then, sobrang gentle lang nung beads. So, yeah. This one, hindi ko pa natatry. Pero hopefully, maganda siya. This is micellar water na parang siyang milk cake micellar water. Japanese brand. And it's very affordable. So, hopefully, this is a good one. Pag Japanese naman na product is maganda talaga. And then, I found this one. This is Garnier Super UV na Air Mist Sunscreen. Ayan. So, you can spray it all over your face. And I think sa body pwede din. So, this one, sobrang init ngayon. We need the sunscreen. And I like cream sunscreens. Pero minsan, pag, pawis ka na, parang ayoko nang maglagay ulit ng sunscreen na sobrang pawis na mukha ko. So, I think this mist would be more convenient. And, ano man tawag dito? Hindi siya medyo heavy sa mukha. Next is, yeah, I've always wanted and I've always looked for retinol. So, this one is a COSRX retinol na 0.1 lang siya. Meron dong retinol na cheaper kasi naka-sale. Pero, yung strength, back term doon ng retinol niya is 1.7. So, which is, I think, very strong. So, dito muna tayo sa 0.1 kasi ngayon lang ulit ako magagamit ng retinol and nakakatakot pag ganung kataas yung retinol content. So, yeah, I think this would be good. And the next one is ito siya, kasi dito sa Thailand, diba, is gusto yung mga pamahid, yung mga pang muscle aches. So, this one, nirecommend to nung babae dun sa Watsons. So, ayun, para siyang, yung consistency niya is parang watery, pero, siya, malamig. So, it would help you with muscle pains, ganito, ganyan, ayan. So, this is something I'm excited to use. And then, last but not the least, may dalawa ako dito, parang pamahid. So, brand, I'm not sure kung anong brand to. Siang Pur. Ayan. So, dalawa yung kinuha ko. Hot ata itong isa, tapos isa is cold. I'm not sure. Pero mabango siya. Papawala ng hito. Ayan. So, this is really nice. So, I think that's all na nabili ko. Hindi ako bumili talaga ng madami kasi, I don't know, yung magagamit ko lang talaga. Nagbawas-bawas na tayo sa mga pag-shopping these days. And parang, I am trying to learn, especially sa mga gamit na hindi siya consumable. I am trying to like appreciate things without necessarily owning them. So, yun yung parang naging motto ko these past few months. Kasi, yeah, like, you can admire stuff kahit na hindi mo siya bilhin, diba? So, ayun. So, hopefully na mas makontinue ko yung pagiging mindful in my spending and my purchases. So, yun lang. Thank you!